Hello everybody, welcome back to Simply Garden and Home, and we're in the broccoli, I guess the broccoli patch you could call it. Broccoli's done very well this year. I think the weather's been right for it, but you know, all the part of it is how you treat it when you start planting it. Of course, given the right nutrients. I do enjoy using fish emulsion a lot, which we gave that to the broccoli throughout the season. I think I also use some other dehydrated chicken manure. But the thing is, this is getting ready to pick. And what's nice about the spring broccoli, well, it's summer now, but is that you don't have much problems in east in our zone 5 area with the cabbage worms, which are little white moth butterflies like to lay the eggs on the broccoli, and then inside the little eggs develop into little worms. You get the little green worms, and that's what basically my daughter used to like broccoli until one day she bit into it and saw a little green worm in there, and that was it. So anyways, our grandchildren love broccoli, but anyways, the broccoli is getting ready to pick, but just not yet. I just want to show you this one here. You can see how it still looks pretty tight. You can eat it like this, no problem with that, but you kind of want it to get a little bit more not florets, but open up these guys a little bit more. Look back over this one here. This one's getting really close to being ready, and I'd say another two more days we're ready to pick that. So we love steamed broccoli, love this little cheese, American cheese on it. How do you like fixing broccoli? I always like to hear different ways of people eating it raw. There's nothing wrong with that either. Broccoli is very, very healthy. I believe it's very high in vitamin C content, which is important to you, keeping your immune system up. But anyways, in a couple more days, we'll be back over here and picking this broccoli. Looking forward to having that first of the year. Nothing like it. Appreciate it again for checking us out and giving us a thumbs up if you like what you see. And if you do like what we have here, please subscribe if you're new to the channel. I appreciate it. And enjoy the night. Bye.